Welcome back to my channel. Doing well and enjoying my videos. My today video is on about, as I have already discussed, can, could, may and might. How you can use these words, because you might have seen people using these words so much, and you also want to understand where we can use can, could, may and might. What are their uses of can, could, may and might? Let's begin this video. Firstly, I will discuss can and could. As you guys already know that the second form of can is could and the first form is can. So for the first and the present tense we are using can, and for the past tense we will use could. In a time, we should start this video on using the helping verbs in your daily speaking. मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, I can do this. मैं ये कर सकती थी, the sentence is in past, so we will use could. I could do this. Second example, वो इंग्लिश बोल सकता है, he can speak in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोल सकता था, he could speak in English. Guys, the second point of using can and could. Yes guys, whenever you show your abilities, your capacity, there we are using can and could. What are your abilities? जिस पे आपको भरोसा है, आप कर सकते हैं. जैसे आई कैन डांस, आई कैन स्विम, क्योंकि आपने इसकी प्रैक्टिस की है या आपको कहीं ना कहीं पता है कि ये कैसे करना है. यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट. That's why we are using can and could. The third point is for taking permission. Whenever you are taking permission to somebody who is of your age group or younger than you, there you can use can. Your colleague is carrying so much weight and you want to help that person, but directly you cannot go. So then you will ask that person, can I help you, as it seems that you are carrying a heavy load. Uses of can is very straightforward. That's why this is an informal way of using. You cannot use can with somebody with higher authority or elder than you, because it sounds harsh and it is not called formal way of taking permission with somebody who is higher authority. So in that case, when we are not using can, we will be using could. Could is more polite way of taking permission, or you are taking suggestions. Use any proposal, permission and suggestions. Let's check out some examples. Could you please ring this bell for me? Ma'am, could you tell me the way to the post office? Some more uses of could. Let's discuss that. जब कभी आपको एक काम बहुत ही सक्सेसफुली कर पाए and you are very excited about it, आपको ये दूसरों को बताना है, then how will you tell that? सक्सेसफुली मिल पाया इतने दिनों के बाद. I could meet him after such a long time. So guys, these are the uses of can and could. Can present tense, could past tense. Can is for more informal way and could is very formal way. Both are using for taking permissions, but restrictions are can be used for your age group and younger ones, and could is used for the elder one and higher authorities. Also, for anything you have done successfully, you are excited about it, then you have to use could, because you are expressing yourself and that has to be polite, so we use could. Can is more very straightforward, so that is informal, that's why we are not using it. To may and might. May and might, likewise can, could, they are also. May is a present tense and might is the past tense, used for possibilities. But when the possibilities are more than 60% or 60%, like the ratio is 60-40 और 70-30. The possibilities उस चीज़ के होने की ज़्यादा है. Then we use may. Let's check out some examples. Like, if I have to say कि बारिश हो सकती है, the possibility of raining ज़्यादा है क्योंकि बादल भी हैं, मौसम भी है और आप लोगों से सुन भी रहे हैं कि आज बारिश हो सकती है, तो देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज़. 70% 60% पॉसिबिलिटी है कि बारिश हो सकती है, 30% में भी बादल हवा चल जाए या कोई और रीज़न की वजह से ना हो. सो इट मे रेन टुडे क्योंकि उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी होने की ज़्यादा है. In a situation where are so many group of people, find so many elders or higher authorities, your teachers, your professors, for taking permission, you have to use may. Like, may I come in? May I go out? May I ask you a question? Likewise. With optative sentences, like, जब कभी आप अपनी इच्छा को व्यक्त करते हैं और भगवान का नाम लेते हैं, then we use may. May God bless you. May you live long. May you become successful in your life. Like that. So that, इसको आप नोट कर लीजिए, जब भी आप so that का यूज़ करेंगे, we will use may with that. पढ़ाई कर लो ताकि तुम अपने जीवन में सफल हो सको. Study so that you may be successful in your life. Uses of might. Might is the second form of may, and so it is used for the past sentences. It is used indirectly in the sentences. It is used with the less possibilities. Like if I take the same example कि आज बारिश हो सकती है, बट बारिश होने के कोई चांसेस दिख नहीं रहे हैं, धूप निकली हुई है, बट हमें लग रहा है कि बारिश हो सकती है, तो इसके तो चांसेस बहुत कम है, लाइक 30 and 70. तब भी हम कह रहे हैं कि ऐसा हो सकता है, तो हम थोड़े कन्फ्यूज्ड हैं, वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. तो हम कहेंगे इट माइट रेन टुडे, हो सकती है. ऐसा हो सकता है, इट माइट बी. दैट कैन, कुड, मे, माइट आर बेसिकली यूज फॉर टेकिंग परमिशन, बट जब आपको फॉर्मली किसी से परमिशन लेनी है तो कुड का और माइट का यूज़ ज़्यादा बेटर रहता है. जब आप कभी श्योर होते हो किसी चीज़ के लिए और आप बता रहे होते हो और वो अभी हुई नहीं है पर होगी, बट उसके लिए आप बहुत ही श्योरली बात कर रहे होते हैं प्रेजेंट में, तो आप उसकी जगह वहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं मे को. जब पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत कम होती है और आप बोलते हो ऐसा हो सकता है, आप श्योर नहीं हो, तब आप माइट का यूज़ करते हैं. परमिशंस लेने के लिए भी हम यूज़ करते हैं. हम पोलाइटली अगर किसी से परमिशन लेते हैं तो हम कुड का यूज़ करते हैं. जब कभी हम बहुत ही अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंट दिखा के किसी से कहते हैं कि आई कैन डू दैट, ये मेरी पॉसिबिलिटी है, ये मेरी कैपेसिटी है, और इस तरीके से हम बात करते हैं, तो हम कैन का यूज़ करते हैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को शो करने के लिए. Let's give it a thumbs up and see you tomorrow.